Hi, I'm Mrs. Sleeper with the Paragould School District, and this is a short tutorial on how to use Kami to complete an assignment in Google Classroom. The first step is to open up your Google Classroom. So right now I'm in a class titled PSD Sample Class. On the class stream, I will see that my teacher, Mr. John Fulkerson, has posted a new assignment for me. I could also click on classwork to see what assignments I have ready for me to work on. So I'm going to go ahead and open this assignment titled DeSoto's Journey Part 2. Here I will see that there is a PDF that I'm needing to open, or I can click View Assignment. You can open from either spot. If you are needing to send your teacher a message because you had a question, you could add a private comment here that would go straight to your teacher. So I can see that my work is here. It's a PDF, so I'm going to click on it. And I'm going to see at the top, Open With. So this is just a normal PDF view. I can't do anything with the document here. But when I click Open With, I have the option to annotate with Kami. You may also see on your school issue device the button here that's blue that says Open with Kami. Either one of those will take you into Kami to be able to complete your task. If it's your first time using Kami, it will ask you more than likely to verify you're a student, you're in a K-12 school, but because I've used this already, it recognizes me, and you can see my name here at the top. The first thing you'll need to do is usually name and date, just like you would if you were completing a task on paper. So from the toolbar over here, I have a big T that says text box. I'm going to click on that. I could adjust my font and color if need be, but I like to go ahead and just type and then make any adjustments. So I'm going to type my name. Looks a little small to me. I can go ahead though and adjust my font size to make it a little bigger. Teachers will be grading your work digitally as well, so if you can have a good size font, that helps us out. I'm also going to insert a text box for the date, and today is August 7th, 2020. And you can click on the blue and manipulate it to make your answer line up. I wouldn't worry too much about getting your answer on the line the first time. Type it and then adjust your text box to fit. On this task, I'm supposed to read the text here that my teacher has provided to me. And then there's a task at the bottom that says, trace the route that DeSoto and his crew took. So after reading this task, I will need to draw a line connecting the cities to illustrate the route that the explorer DeSoto took through Arkansas. On the toolbar over here, there is, so it says mark up. This will give me a text highlighter. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight. I can see here they started in Salem. The box highlighter works better than the highlighter. It's the second option for what I'm needing to do. So I can come back. This is like drawing a text box. You just click and drag to highlight the section. So then I will find the next place. It looks like Batesville, and you'll notice that I can't just keep extending down to the next line. I'll actually need to click and drag a new box to highlight Newport. They went to Jacksonport. Then they went to Augusta, Georgetown and Brinkley, and Gillette. So your highlighter tool is available. I could have changed colors if I wanted. Your teacher may ask you to highlight text evidence or main idea in detail, and you might need two different colors. So you do have those options here. Now I'm ready to actually draw. So if I come back to this toolbar, I have the drawing tool. I can select the thickness of the line that I'm going to be drawing. We'll make it a 4. I can also choose the color. So now I'm ready. And because this is in black and white here, I am going to make this in red so that I can draw. My first city is Salem to Oxford. So I'm going to find on the map here, Salem. I'm going to draw a line to Oxford. And that, again, I just clicked once and drug it down to make the stroke. The next one, Oxford to Newport. And I could just continue with this all the way down, drawing my way through. So this was just a short tutorial to show you how to use a text box, how to use the highlighter, and how to use the drawing tool. For different subjects, you may need to insert images, use an eraser, insert an equation for math and sciences, or even use some of the other features. But the toolbar here is where you're going to find all of these devices. The last step, I'm done with my assignment, is up here in the right top corner. It says turn in. I'm going to click on turn in. It's going to ask me again, turn in. And I'm able to turn in this task directly here from Kami. I don't have to do anything else. So this takes me right back to Google Classroom, and it is wanting me to verify, are you sure you want to turn in? I'm going to click turn in. And now I have successfully completed an assignment using Kami to complete the task and turn it in.